Welcome back. We're on number 12 now from the review. So number 12, and this is slope-intercept stuff. So we're given an ordered pair, meaning a dot. The location of the dot on a standard coordinate axis is x equals -4, y equals 3. The slope is also given, m equals 1. So if you're given these two things, a point and a slope, we need the point-slope equation, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay? Right? So this would be, the point would be the x1, y1. So x1 in this case is -4 and y1 is 3. So now we substitute in, leaving the general y, we put in the -1, the y sub 1 is 3, and then we have our slope is given as 1, and then we have x minus a -4. Okay? So this is going to give us now y minus 3 equals x plus 4. Now we can put this in point-slope form by adding 3 to both sides. This is now y equals x plus 7, right? Or 1x plus 7. So the answer is A. All right, there's a couple like that, so let's go through them now. For number 13, what is given? Another point with the x-coordinate, x1 is 6, and then the y-coordinate, y1 is -3, and m equals 2. So we use the same equation, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So now we say y minus -3 equals 2 times x minus 6. This is going to be y plus 3, because the negative times the negative is positive. This is 2x, and this is -12. Okay? So we subtract 3 from both sides, and we get y equals 2x minus 15. That is choice C. So that's 13. And 14 is the same thing again. So we have y plus 3 equals 3 times x minus 1. So for this one, we just have to, they sort of did the substitution for us. So we need it in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So what do we have to do? We just subtract 3 from both sides. After we distribute, excuse me. Getting ahead of myself here. So we got to distribute the 3 to both terms. Right? So now we have y plus 3 equals 3x minus 3. This is y equals 3x minus 6. So that corresponds to choice B. All right? So 15, we want a parallel line. Parallel lines have the same slope. Another way to say it would be m1 is equal to m2. The slope of line 1 is equal to the slope of line 2. So if we have a point that's given 5, -1, and we are given the line y equals x minus 1, the slope for this line is what's attached to x. So m is equal to 1. So we need the point-slope formula again. So we say y minus -1 equals 1 times x minus 5. This is the point-slope formula. So this is y plus 1 equals x minus 5. Subtract 1 from both sides. And now we have y equals x minus 6, which is choice C. Okay? Thank you for watching.